I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. What are we learning about today?
Quizlet.
Quizlet. Yes. So what is Quizlet?
Quizlet is like online flashcards, and you can quiz yourself. And there are, you can go live, you can do spelling, vocab, there are new diagrams.
Oh, so I used this several years ago. So they've made some updates?
Yes.
Okay.
It is not the same old Quizlet.
It is not the same old Quizlet. So it is free to sign up, but you can upgrade to teacher. They do have Google single sign-on, which is nice. If you're thinking about UDL, it's very engaging and obviously action and expression, multiple ways for kids to practice and show you what they know. You can set up a class. Actually, you have to set up a class. So we set up 4-Minute Friday Fun.
Of course.
And you can send out a class code, which is nice. And then you have folders that you get flashcards and put lessons into. So you can create your own, and that's fine, or you can search. And there's a huge library. You can really find just about anything, including lions, which we did.
We found lions. Sorry, Bill. No
armadillos. Yes. So there are lots and lots of resources available for you if you don't have time to do that. So once you get into it and have your set, you can go to that set as a teacher or as a student at this point. And then there's this many ways to get started on it. So you have learning and flashcards, which are pretty just, you can either do definition side or you can do the word side and kind of vice versa in practice. And again, like Delaney said, there's diagrams as well now that you can do anatomy, geography, music, whatever.
And they have like hot spots, right? So
they have hot spots.
Different spots on the
diagrams. Different spots in diagram. Very good. There's spelling, which will say the word and then the kids type it out. So
and if there's a definition, we'll give them the definition so they know.
Or you could write it in a sentence, things like that. The test and match and gravity. Gravity and live are really type of games. Test and match will have you kind of like games, but more formal assessments than just going through it in flashcards. So here is one of the games, and that's matching, which is kind of nice. And then the live, if you want to do this in your classroom, you do have this option. So it actually will put your kids in groups randomly. And then you do have some flexibility in changing that around.
You have to group your own kids.
Yes.
Awesome.
And then you have them go through it as a group, your set, and then they can find out and you can get information back on where they're at and make adjustments in your teaching from there.
Cool.
So where Quizlet was once really just online flashcards, it has all of these things. And do you have to have a computer to do it?
No, you can do it on a smartphone.
You can do it on your phone. You can do it on your tablet. It's really available anytime, anywhere. My daughters use it all the time with their spelling words, things like that. So as a classroom leader or just as a learner, it's a great, valuable tool.
Yeah. Awesome. You got anything else?
Nope.
Okay. Have a happy Thursday/Friday.
Yeah.